what are some of the biggest mistakes that you have to deal with as an affiliate marketer, or that affiliate marketers are faced with?
I would say the biggest mistake is under-analysis. I think a lot of affiliates say under-analysis and jumping around too much. I think a lot of affiliates, one, they jump around too much. You know, they move from thing to thing because they're always looking for kind of what's that magic ad they can launch that'll just make them money, or what's that magic, you know, what's the magic combination of, you know, targeting, ad, landing page, and offer that's just going to work and make money. And you just kind of like, you're like, haha, I found it. And people do find it, and it's, but they never learn marketing, and they just go from trick to trick to trick. Or maybe they're just a one-trick pony, whatever. But the point is, they're never learning anything, and it's always going to be an amorphous business for that person. So jumping around is, I'd say, the biggest thing. The next biggest thing I'd say is under-analysis. You know, not learning, not having an understanding of how to analyze data, what each column of data means. You know, if your CTR is too low on a particular ad, how do you fix that? Or if your CTR is too high, yes, it's possible on a particular ad. What might you want to look into to fix that? You know, or what problems might happen if your CTR is too high on an ad? Landing pages. You know, what is an acceptable range of CTR, and you know what is good and bad on that? What is a good conversion rate on an offer? What's you know, how do you analyze, you know, what's a good conversion rate on mobile or desktop, and how to analyze and how to make those better, and what to look, what you need to watch, you know, why you need to watch your frequency, why you need to care about your reach, why you need to care about your impression share, etc. You know, I don't think people know the very basics. Because at the end of the day, this industry is it's mathematical, and that's